When you search for the best Zojirushi rice cooker, everything looks nearly identical. Same brand, similar designs, same promises of fluffy rice. But if you look closer, the real differences show up in how they handle different grains, how easy they are to use, and what happens after the cooking stops. Today, we break down exactly which ones are worth your money. Product number 1, NSZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy. First up is the NSZCC10, Zojirushi's 5.5 cup Neuro Fuzzy model in premium white. At $316, it's definitely on the higher end, but it brings serious tech to the table. If you want restaurant-quality rice with minimal effort and love having options, this one's a standout. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Neuro Fuzzy Logic technology isn't just a fancy name. It actually adjusts cooking time and temperature in real time based on what it senses inside the pot. That means whether you're cooking sushi rice or brown rice, it adapts on the fly. It also has 8 different menu settings, including mixed, porridge, sweet, and even rinse-free rice, which saves you prep time. The spherical non-stick inner pan ensures even heating, so no burnt bottom or undercooked center. Plus, it automatically switches to keep warm mode and even has an extended keep warm cycle that prevents drying out over time. With over 3,000 sold in the past month, it's clear people trust this one. Now, some people complained about the price and that it doesn't have a delay timer, which is surprising at this level. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking rice daily and want consistency, the precision outweighs the missing timer. And honestly, the lack of a delay feature only matters if you're trying to time meals hours in advance. This is perfect for you if you cook multiple types of rice regularly, live with a family, or just want the most reliable results without babysitting the pot. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only cook rice once in a while. At this price, it's an investment, but for serious home cooks, it's worth every penny. Product number 2, Micom 3-Cup Compact. Next is the Micom 3-Cup Compact in stainless black, priced at $228. This one's built for small households or couples who don't need to cook large batches. If you want smart features in a smaller body and don't mind paying a premium for space-saving design, this could be your match. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Despite its size, it packs in advanced settings like GABA brown rice activation, which boosts nutrients by heating rice at 104 degrees F for 2 hours before cooking, great if you care about nutrition. It also has a dedicated steel-cut oatmeal mode and a long-grain white rice setting, which most compact models skip. The fold-down handle and retractable power cord make it super easy to store or take to the office. It's not just small, it's thoughtfully designed. Over 2,000 sold recently shows it's popular among minimalists and urban dwellers. Now, some people were frustrated by the hand-wash-only care instructions and the lack of a non-stick coating on the inner pan. Here's the thing though, Zojirushi often uses stainless steel interiors in their compact models for durability. And while it takes a bit more effort to clean, it lasts longer and doesn't scratch like non-stick. If you're okay with a little extra cleanup, it's a fair trade. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment, cook for 1 or 2, or want a secondary cooker for travel. Skip this one if you frequently cook for more than 2 people or hate hand-washing pots. It's pricey for its size, but the features justify it for the right user. Product number 3, 3-Cup Basic White. Now let's talk about the 3-Cup Basic White model at just $69. This is Zojirushi's entry-level option, and it's all about simplicity. If you want reliable rice without the tech overload and don't need fancy settings, this one gets the job done. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a single switch control, press down to cook, pops up when done. No menus, no timers, no confusion. The see-through glass lid lets you peek without losing steam, and the stay-cool handles make it safe to move even when hot. The non-stick inner pan is easy to clean, and at just 7.5 inches tall, it fits under most cabinets. It's perfect for students, small kitchens, or anyone who just wants rice without the fuss. With 2,000 plus sold, it proves that sometimes simple wins. Now, some people complained about the lack of keep warm functionality and that it only has one cooking mode. Here's the thing though, this model is designed for basic white rice and it does that extremely well. If you're not cooking brown rice or steaming veggies, you won't miss the extras. It's not for everyone, but for its purpose, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget, live alone, or just want a no-nonsense rice cooker. Skip this one if you cook multiple grain types or want food to stay warm for hours. For under $70, it's an excellent value for basic needs. Product number 4, 6-Cup Standard. Coming in at $89, the 6-Cup Standard model is Zojirushi's mid-range workhorse. It's bigger than the 3-Cup but doesn't go overboard on features. If you want a balance of capacity, price, and reliability for everyday use, this one hits the sweet spot. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can handle up to 6 cups of uncooked rice, enough for a family of 4 or meal prep for the week. It includes a stainless steel steaming tray so you can cook rice and steam veggies or dumplings at the same time. The automatic keep warm kicks in right after cooking, and the removable cord makes storage tidy. It's straightforward, durable, and built to last. With over 1,000 sold, it's a trusted choice for daily use. Now, some people wished it had more menu options or a delay timer. Here's the thing though, this model focuses on doing the basics exceptionally well. It doesn't have fuzzy logic or multiple grain settings, but if you're mostly cooking white rice and steaming, you won't notice the lack of extras. It's not flashy, but it's dependable. This is perfect for you if you have a small family, want to steam food while cooking rice, or need something simple but sturdy. Skip this one if you cook a lot of brown rice or want advanced settings. At under $90, it's one of the best values in Zojirushi's lineup. Product number 5, NSTSC-10 Micom. Finally, the NSTSC-10 at $267 is a step up from the Neuro Fuzzy with added versatility. It holds 5.5 cups and uses Micom fuzzy logic, but it also doubles as a steamer. If you want smart cooking with extra utility and don't mind spending a bit more, this one's a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has the same adaptive cooking tech as the NSZCC-10, but adds a dedicated steam menu setting so you can cook rice and steam fish or vegetables simultaneously. The stainless steel exterior is easy to wipe down, and the retractable cord keeps things neat. It also has 2 delay timer settings, something the Neuro Fuzzy lacks, so you can set it and forget it. The interchangeable melody and beep signals are a small touch, but they make it feel more premium. With 800 plus sold, it's a niche favorite. Now, some people found the exterior prone to fingerprints and wish the inner pan was non-stick instead of stainless. Here's the thing though, the stainless interior is more durable and better for high heat steaming, so it's a trade-off for functionality. If you steam often, you'll appreciate it. This is perfect for you if you want one appliance that cooks rice and steams food, or if you value timer flexibility. Skip this one if you only cook plain rice and don't need the extra features. It's pricey, but the dual function adds real value. So which Zojirushi should you buy? The NSZCC-10 is best for precision and variety. The Micom 3-Cup suits small spaces. The 3-Cup Basic is ideal for simplicity. The 6-Cup Standard offers great value for families, and the NSTSC-10 adds steaming and timers for extra versatility. Each has its strengths. Pick the one that fits your kitchen, your budget, and how you actually cook.